Welcome to New Boiler Grant, and what good news we have for you today. If you are searching for a free or grant-funded new A-rated boiler, then look no further. At New Boiler Grant, our friendly UK team are entirely focused on ensuring you secure the right grant-funded boiler. We've supported tens of thousands of people since the Eco Grant started in 2013, and we are keen to support you today. The government's new £4 billion Eco4 grant funding scheme was launched in April 2022, and it's packed with lots of new ways in which you can receive a new grant-funded boiler. For example, you can now qualify on housing benefit and also receive different types of free insulation as well. If you received one of the qualifying benefits and had a non-condensing boiler installed before April 2005, then it is likely that you already qualify. Have a look here on this website to see if you qualify. New boiler grants are available across England, Scotland and Wales. If you are looking for a new grant boiler, then there is simply no better place for you to apply than New Boiler Grant. Click on the Proceed to Application button just below or elsewhere in this website and we can get started. Thank you for the opportunity of supporting you with your new boiler.